Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will show you how to install Claude in Google Chrome. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is just open Chrome Web Store. Now, here in search bar at the top, type in Claude into the search bar. So look for titled Claude or Claude in Chrome published by Anthropic. So let's do that. Claude in Chrome, Claude.com. I think this one is the correct one. It's by Anthropic. We can check here, developer. This is correct. All right. And what we can do is just hit the button Add to Chrome and add extension. All right. Now you will see this extension right over here. This puzzle, but you need to know that you will need uh, basically paid plan for that. So you will need pro version or some team version, enterprise, and so on. So if you don't have that, click on upgrade and then choose here what you prefer, or if you are bigger team or enterprise, you can use here these plans. Yeah, but if you already have this plan, you will be redirected to logged in, and then you will use really simply this extension here on Google Chrome. And this is pretty much it, how you can install Claude in Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.